not partly visible.
So usually when someone tells you
I
they're
could
gonna
see
give
him,
you
but I
something
couldn't see a
back, they'll
gun.
usually give you it back.
Don't know how admins would see that, but to me, by what
They're
it's saying,
having a
it's
meeting right now.
yeah, it's shit Sunday. It's invalid initiation.
Can I leave yet?
Yeah, there's no admin on duty anyway.
But not if there's a.
Where are
thingy.
they?
But much love, guys. All the best.
Okay.
I'm gonna go chill out because I got
Mr.
work tomorrow.
Gunman, it looks like you have
Alrighty
3 counts of attempted manslaughter.
In a bit, guys.
So
4.
User disconnected
gunman
from
dead?
user
User
joined your channel.
Oh, sorry. I clicked.
User
Wow.
left your
Wow.
channel.
Die on the sandbags.
Hey, shut up, you snake.
You bitch. Wait till I get out of these cuffs.
You're not in cuffs.
According to a civ,
I
there's a guy on the sandbag.
there's one at the front here, but
You're
he's
just
dead
bad, aren't you?
at the police side gate.
No!
Can someone tell me where they are?
I'm
Yes,
mute on the
you're wearing
radio.
a shitty pink suit.
Unmute on the radio. Unmute on the radio.
Cost me 25 million.
Well,
I'm not,
there's
I'm in a
one.
meeting.
And you should get a fucking
There's one on the. I think on the Windmill Hills.
How
And
dare
There was a
you,
jeep
sir.
going up there
Make
at
it
least.
look like a dork.
Is that guy still there?
There's only
I
two
would
of them
assume so,
apparently.
seeing as we heard gunshots a second ago.
I think there's
I
3
thought he got
because
killed.
there was the guy that got killed first. I got shot by another guy, and there was
It's
I killed
getting
one
kinda cold.
literally at the entrance next to
Yeah.
Cake.
that's the guy who was initiating.
Well,
He's
that's
dead.
you.
Yeah. So
Fuck you,
I
man.
got killed by someone else, and then Jasper Chenyu got killed by someone
I would
different
rather
than me.
fuck your
Yeah.
sister first.
Yeah, that's-
So
That's
3
the-
guys.
How
three
dare
good.
you, she's
Oh, by the
only
way,
12.
what's his name? Paddy cannot unmute. He's in staff meeting.
Yeah.
What?
Realised.
Oh no, he's at the front
young,
of the gate
that's
in
what
the
I
green
said,
quilling,
young.
driving around the building.
Fucking
Yes.
young.
Front gate now in a green
He
Quillen.
just drove off.
He's driving off now.
Drop me a number after this, yeah, mate.
No problem.
Right, I'm
Oh,
now
yes.
not
5
with my hands
counts of
up.
manslaughter, actually.
He won't be attending.
You
the
know,
support
you should
case
at
either.
least expect, like when they do a mass unban,
is
that
the
there
gunman
would
go?
be, like some
What you think?
admins on duty at all times. But
Just go to support Cave. If he doesn't show up, you
I
can
think
just
you're
make a
eating
player
again, you
report.
fatty.
yeah, but the effort
Stop
of
it.
doing that, mate. You know.
Yeah, I know.
He's banned from TS apparently.
Uh,
I wonder why.
Shit. I
There's
can't.
initiation if anyone wants to report him.
Yeah, I've got it all recorded anyway.
Yeah.
The other guy, I don't know where he's gone. Oh, can't
Clearly
go.
not valid initiation.
I dare because I care. I don't want you to die of heart disease.
Oh, thank you very
Yeah.
much.
That video is clear.
yeah.
invalid
Okay, so there's
initiation.
one in that fucking little brown double-stored house as well.
Is he
Stone
still in
brick
there? I
house.
did see the green quilling drive around. Wait, am I the only one alive? Oh no, Paddy's here.
Paddy cannot hear you.
No, I know.
Move. Oh, shit.
Run, fatty, I can feel the earthquake.
dangerous here. Why are you still running around here?
I am not safe.
It's not active anymore, is it?
I don't know. I don't want to risk it though. They've already fucking failed to initiate.
Oh my god, he took my radio off. Stinker.
Oh, the random guy.
Yeah.
Can I shoot him then if it's an active sit and he's stealing stuff?
Yeah.
Can you actually?
Yep. It's an active set, so you can shoot him anyways.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know, but he's not got a gun out.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Well, yes and no, because
I
as
mean,
long
it-
as you're actually showing that you're not a part of the actual gunfight,
Yeah, but
Yeah,
he's
you can't
stealing
kill them.
stuff off of us.
Yeah,
if
but
he's stealing stuff, then
He
obviously.
sees in comms
but
when he's
how-
nothing to do with it.
How do you know that though?
I've just watched him do it,
Nope.
Yeah, but how do can you see
Yeah.
him doing it?
and he's now
How can
stealing
you s-
clothes off someone.
Oh, shit.
You
yeah,
have
you
that.
can
Fuck
kill him.
He's just put his hands up.
Ah,
Can't.
good job, sir.
Worst case scenario, you will have to comp him, but it's not classed as RDM.
He's got nothing on him anyway.
By the way, if he's looting someone who he didn't kill, that's rule break as well.
Microphone
You do
muted.
realise you just broke a land law there.
How dare you?
What did I do?
You see someone's comms that belong to Havoc and you've taken someone's gear.
It's gonna be a long day.
This is my gear.
Or either still, you took someone's
So I don't know what
comms.
you're talking about.
I'm
Microphone
getting shot from the other
activated.
side of the checkpoint. Came from police, Havoc Gate somewhere.
You have to say that in group.
Paddy, Havoc Gate.
Where's
Wait, it's been more than
HCSS?
3 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Who's that landing in the checkpoint? Do we know?
Take which side?
He was my side, but I've lost him.
Fuck it, I'm cleaning up.